What is the best platform for futures trading? Watch the video and leave your opinion in the comments section below. The realm of futures trading, characterized by its high-risk, high-reward nature, has seen a surge in popularity. As traders seek the most effective platforms to navigate this volatile market, the question of the best platform emerges. A recent study found that 72% of seasoned traders believe the choice of platform significantly impacts their success. However, the best platform is highly subjective, depending on individual trading styles, risk tolerance, and goals. One surprising fact is that over 50% of new traders choose platforms based on recommendations from friends or family, rather than conducting thorough research. This highlights the importance of informed decision-making. Additionally, a shocking statistic reveals that 30% of traders have lost significant sums due to platform-related issues, such as technical glitches or poor customer support. When evaluating futures trading platforms, several key factors must be considered. Firstly, the platform's fees and commissions can significantly impact profitability. Traders should compare different platforms' pricing structures, including transaction costs, margin rates, and any additional charges. Secondly, the platform's technology and tools are crucial for efficient trading. Advanced charting capabilities, real-time market data, and order execution speed are essential features. Thirdly, the platform's reliability and stability are paramount, especially during volatile market conditions. A platform prone to outages or technical errors can lead to missed trading opportunities and financial losses. 1. Interactive brokers. Renowned for its robust features and low commissions, Interactive Brokers is a top choice for many traders. Its advanced trading platform offers a plethora of tools, including real-time market data, customizable charting, and a wide range of order types. However, its complexity can be overwhelming for beginners. 2. NinjaTrader. This platform is particularly popular among active traders who require advanced charting capabilities and a high degree of customization. NinjaTrader's open architecture allows for the integration of third-party add-ons and algorithms, making it a versatile tool for those who want to tailor their trading experience. 3. TradeStation. Known for its powerful charting tools and backtesting capabilities, TradeStation is a popular choice among technical traders. Its platform offers a wide range of indicators, drawing tools, and strategies, allowing traders to develop and test their trading systems. 4. Tastyworks. This platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to traders of all levels. Tastyworks offers a variety of educational resources, including webinars and video tutorials, making it a good option for those who are new to futures trading. 5. eTrade. eTrade provides a comprehensive trading platform that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. Its platform offers a variety of features, including real-time market data, customizable charting, and a range of order types. When selecting a platform, consider factors such as commission fees, available markets, trading tools, customer support, and user interface. It's also important to choose a platform that aligns with your trading style and risk tolerance. While there is no one-size-fits-all solution, these platforms offer a solid starting point for your futures trading journey. By carefully evaluating your needs and preferences, you can find the platform that empowers you to make informed decisions and achieve your trading goals.